Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying which Python installs to remove and why. Different versions may coexist. Once done, open Settings Apps to list installed programs or Control Panel programs if you prefer Classic View. Make sure you close editors, terminals, and background services that use Python, otherwise the uninstaller may fail. Also ensure you have administrator rights and consider creating a system restore point now, so you can revert quickly if something goes wrong. You pick the Python entry and click Uninstall, then follow the uninstaller prompts. Choose to remove all optional components like pip and idle if available. Once the main uninstaller finishes, make sure to check and remove any leftover path entries in System Properties environment variables so Windows no longer references the interpreter. Next, manually delete residual folders in C, /program files /Python Roman 20, C, /users /your user /app data /local /programs, and you finish by verifying removal. Open CMD and run Python version. If uninstalled correctly, you should see a command not recognized message. Make sure to reboot Windows so environment and path changes fully apply. If something breaks, missing tools, or path issues, use the system restore point you created, or reinstall the specific Python version you need and reconfigure path carefully. That troubleshooting step is your quickest recovery if the system or development environment behaves unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.